What if I told you that there's a treatment out there that combines the power of microneedling and radiofrequency to turn back the clock on your skin? No surgery, no downtime, just tighter, smoother looking skin. Sounds like magic, right? Hi, my name is Dr. Nguyen with Refined Radiance Aesthetics. I'm a cosmetic doctor with almost a decade of experience in medicine. Yeah, so one way to really get the skin to look more youthful is to create more collagen in your skin. There's several ways to do it. There's injectables, there's radiofrequency devices, energy-based devices that can help your body to create more collagen. And collagen is what helps smooth out your skin, tighten your skin, and helps with the skin quality. There are several ways that can help you achieve these results. One way is Sculptra, a series of 3 different times that you can do it. Also, you can use radiofrequency device like the EndyMed Pro Max. It creates micro trauma in your skin and helps your skin create more collagen. As far as pain goes, it's pretty minimal because we use topical anesthetic. Typically, we have you sit there with topical anesthetic for about 45 minutes. Afterwards, it should feel like a slight pricking sensation, and the whole procedure lasts about 30 to 45 minutes afterwards. And downtime usually is about 5 to 7 days, where you will feel like you have some sort of sunburn. It'll look a little bit red. After that, then your skin will start to go back to normal, and in about 3 to 4 weeks time, you should see some changes, your skin tightening, skin quality, and it should help with some of the deep wrinkles in your face. Anytime when you have a surgical procedure, number one is, the downtime can be anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. Also, it's a lot more invasive, not to mention that it costs a lot more for a surgery. The special thing about our clinic is that, it's more of a personable one-on-one interaction. You get your one-on-one time with me, letting them know that there are these treatment options out there to address their concerns and help them achieve the look that they want. So this is our EndyMed Pro Max. It has a few functions. It does radiofrequency microneedling, which helps with collagen production in your skin. It also does just plain radiofrequency, which attacks the superficial layers of your skin, again, also to help create more collagen. The other thing that it does is body contouring. With people losing weight at a rapid pace with the Ozempic craze, it does help tighten up the skin laxity around their body, a body contouring function. And as we age, there's a few things that happen. I think to understand what the treatment does, we got to understand the aging process. 3 things that happens when we age. Okay, so number 1 we lose collagen about 1% each year. It results in our skin being less tight, and it results in more jowling in the underface. Number 2 is our fat pads starts to droop, and we lose our fat pads especially around the mid-cheek area. And so you start to see that gravity start to take over and pull everything down. And the third thing that happens is, our bone loss, right? So we lose bone loss as we age, mostly around the face, around the orbital area. So people will have more of a sunken in look. So those are the main 3 things that happen as we age. Now, the collagen problem, like I mentioned, we have injectables like our biostimulators, such as Sculptra, Radiesse. We have our energy-based device, radiofrequency microneedling, which creates more collagen. And that's going to give you that more youthful and rejuvenated and tighter looking skin. Botox addresses the dynamic wrinkles. So there's 2 types of wrinkles, dynamic and static. So dynamic wrinkles are the wrinkles that happens when you are making facial expressions, you're moving. Those are the wrinkles that you see when you're making certain expressions. Static wrinkles are the deeper wrinkles that you see even when you're not, making any expressions. So our radiofrequency microneedling device addresses both issues, and the result is longer lasting. You get more of a dramatic and natural looking result. Botox has its place in treatment, and like I said, it addresses the dynamic wrinkles that you have. So there are men out there, men ages just the same as women. They are also concerned about, wrinkles, skin quality. So yeah, they are just as much as concerned about the same issue as women. It's just men have less tendency to do something about it. I have a few men who come in needing treatment on the wrinkles, and I do also have men who would like to have more definition around their jawline and around their cheek area. Those are more of the masculine look that they're going for. I also have men who are here for lip fillers as well, all kinds of treatments. I would say maybe we get about 20 to 25% of our patient population is men. Let us help you achieve the look that you've always deserved. You can DM us on Instagram, message us on Facebook, or send us an email. Now, the big question is, does it hurt? I won't lie to you. It's going to feel like a prickly sensation, but we do use numbing cream for about 45 minutes. The radiofrequency part feels warm, like a deep heat, but totally manageable. Right after the treatment, it'll feel like a sunburn for about 24 to 48 hours, but after that, it calms down. Just avoid sun, heat, and heavy makeup for a few days. So is radiofrequency worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a treatment that is more affordable than a surgical facelift, then I would say absolutely, go for it. If you want a serious collagen boosting result, I would say absolutely. It's a game changer.